Mayo Clinic CARES, I would like to think, is a critical pathway to build the groundwork for the advancement of sciences in the future. It is so crucial that we have to be able to have a diversified workforce in the future. Right now, if you look at medical institutions across the country, I could bet you that most of them would like to be even more diversified than where they are right now. And Mayo Clinic is exactly in the same situation. We look at this opportunity as the chance for us to build a rewarding, enduring relationship with the community. We like this to be the opportunity for us to join hands together to bring the best generations forward.
The best and most surprising parts of Mayo Clinic CARES went far beyond the different topics that they experienced. The students talked to us about how they expected to learn about different areas such as research, clinical and practice, and education. What they didn't expect was to experience the Mayo Clinic values and our very special culture. So they have talked about when they arrived, they were ready to be competitive and to strive to make themselves really stand out. But instead, when they walked inside our doors, they felt our values. They felt how much we care about how the patient comes first, and they realized that they could really relax and just absorb our positive culture. The Mayo Clinic CARES program impacted our faculty, staff, and everyone involved in ways that we did not even imagine. We knew it would be a very enriching and positive experience for them, but we didn't realize that the relationships that they would take with them from meeting the students that would last for months. They talked about how inspired they were by the students and how they felt like they were really making a difference in the lives of these students and in our community.
My vision for Mayo Clinic CARES is to provide an opportunity for our high school learners to be exposed to the various options in healthcare industry. I would like them to feel comfortable exploring what's available. I would like them to be able to see things that they may otherwise have not been exposed to. And in terms of how is it different from other pipeline programs in the country, I'm very proud to say that this is a unique program where we really leverage the entire Mayo Clinic faculty. For example, last year we had 70 faculty members for 7 student learners. We want them to be able to explore, as I say, for various options in medicine and outside of medicine, such as pharmacy, physical therapy, radiology technology, for example. And more than that, we provided the opportunity for our student learners to learn more about themselves and feel comfortable about the next step in life, that is college, and how to become a better person. Secondly, we intend this program to be a longitudinal program where we would bring our participants back year after year so that we can continue to mentor them, and at the same time, they can be the mentor for the future participants.